do Tesla Model Y wheel spacers work? Tesla Model Y wheel spacer can be installed as aftermarket parts. The high-quality Tesla Model Y wheel spacer can help the vehicle with more modifications and upgrades, including the brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel adaptation, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. Tesla Model Y wheel spacers offer easy and quick wheel position adjustments, allowing the wheel to be moved outward to a specific position, usually first with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the vehicles. The lines of the vehicle will be fuller, giving the vehicles an aggressive and track-filled appearance. Using Tesla Model Y wheel spacers allow you to safely fit wider tires on your existing wheels, or upgrade to bigger wheels without rubbing against the frame while assembling other suspension components, improving traction and handling even more. If you're looking to upgrade the wheels with good Tesla Model Y wheel spacers, then look no further than BONOSS. BONOSS manufactures a huge range of Tesla Model Y wheel spacers to fit a massive variety of different wheels and applications. Designed by professional mechanical engineers, these are made in an independent factory with high security and are full of more than 66 SGS and TV test reports. BONOSS also offers a choice of wheel spacer size from 15mm to 50mm. BONOSS Tesla Model Y wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge made the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent thickness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal has good mechanical properties. Compared with industry standards, the chip spacers that use low quality are not strong enough and will default and endanger driving safety under strong impact. By contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional Tesla Model Y wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry safety and professional standards. In addition, the bloxsport active cooling Tesla Model Y wheel spacers are designed with heat insulation grooves to make brake cooling better, distributed in petal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches. They are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which manage the inward airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improve safety. Also, bloxsport active cooling Tesla Model Y wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives you peace of mind.